Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Corolla headlight assembly. Start by parking on level ground and disconnecting the battery to avoid shorts. Remove the bumper clips or screws, then unfasten 3 headlight bolts and unplug the harness. Swap the bulb if needed, position the new assembly, tighten bolts to hand snug plus quarter turn exactly, reconnect the harness, test lights, and realign beams before driving safely and confidently. Before you begin, lay out all tools and the replacement assembly on a clean surface to keep everything organized. Use a trim tool to avoid damaging plastic clips when removing the bumper. Wear gloves to protect bulbs and your hands from sharp edges. Keep bolts and clips in a small tray so nothing rolls away. Double-check that the new assembly matches mounting points and connector type before installation to save time. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical car repair videos. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers are great for meal prep and for keeping small parts organized while you work, and they stack neatly in a toolbox. I dropped a link and other deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Work methodically when removing the old headlight assembly to avoid bending tabs or cracking the bumper. Support the assembly with one hand while you unclip the harness to prevent it from dropping. If the new assembly does not include a bulb, transfer the bulb and check socket condition. Tighten bolts evenly to seat the unit, then reconnect the battery and test both high and low beams to confirm full function before final bumper reattachment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.